DJYC say no more. Commissioner DJYC. So that concert Commissioner DJYC hosted on the 31st of December, that was last year 2025. Guy, concert go dey say no more. My can I not there? My godfather say no more. My vintage, my Chucky P, my Harry B, and plenty of them. I'm not there. Like that concert go the more I say that concert to make like history and be land. Concert go the man. Nima turn on. I didn't expect that thing. Like commissioner, you make one neighbor lela, make one home. I am like welcome or this or through this. I'm not doing him because I really appreciate the concert. I was there. I really saw a lot. Make when I call drum, give me heli. So I'm not chickily no turn off for that concert. Or this I be celebrity. I say, hey, thank you for coming home. We really appreciate that. DJYC, thank you for that concert. But he make a history and ambisland. So I thank you. Like all gonna them in the that concert like yale. All they come about. I'm not kimere. Mimere of ma. So thank you na gwagi seek. Name is na gwagi seek. Ndaba na gwagi seek. I need to support. I got double shedre. One call big sister. So Commissioner DJYC, let's go.